Cycle again. Alright, let's see what she does. Alrighty people, so we're getting ready to crank it up. I hope we'll see what it wants to do. Hope I didn't kill the battery. Trying to think over, we did check the wires. Some of these plug wires are, resting on the headers, so we did get that adjusted, or at least off the headers. And Chris mentioned via Brian that the cam acts up and starts making it want to snap and crackle and pop and all that stuff. You know, not to keep running it until he can base to it. So I think we're pretty close to seeing what it will do. Hello camera, it's been 16 days and we are now going to start it up for the first time. Alright, not quite ready, but I'm sort of ready. Here to fuel pump. I probably should cycle that. Cycle again. Alright, let's see what she does. That didn't sound good. That sounded very metallic-y. I didn't even see oil pressure. That was just so fast. Alright, let's try it again. Start up. So we got everything right there, but I just didn't see any oil pressure yet. Let's see. You got oil pressure. It's turned off. Check our power steering. What goes from there? We're in neutral, so that's what they recommend for the transmission. Let's see what it does again. Okay, ready? Starting. Ready? Starting. Whoa! Might be an exhaust leak. There goes the cam. It might just be exhaust leak. Let me out. Got some leak right here. It's nothing super major. We just got ourselves a nice little leak right here. Oh, that's interesting. Yep. I don't know what's leaking there. Okay, well, let's pop it. And do we have smoke? Nope, there wasn't any smoke. Yep, it's just that was leaking. I was like, that's leaking a wee bit more than it should be. I think the sounds something with the headers. We're rubbing against something maybe. I think that's all it was on second sound. Sounded better than the third startup though. So. Yeah. Oh, yeah, okay. Well, it is. Ooh, got hot quick. Yeah, there's a heat shield. Yeah, for transmission. Okay. the pipe's rubbing right on that.
Okay.
I mean, we'll move it back and you see what it is. Hey, Tim, where'd you go?
I heard a little bit of a whine, but I'm not sure where that's coming from.
That's probably just the camera, really. Hello, camera, my old friend. Oh, shut up. I'm so tired of the door ding. You aggravate me. All right, third startup. I think that's an exhaust leak. I think that's about as much as he's happy with. All right, now I think this is header noise. Yeah, service engine soon.
Uh-oh.
It's flashing. Okay, I'm gonna stop it there. All right, so we ran it through the gears and everything seems to be working there. We're gonna put the dipstick in and then we're gonna start it up and check the fluid. I think we've got the power steering where it needs to be at the moment. And we've got...
Okay, whenever you're ready.
All right. I guess it wasn't ready.
It's probably loading up.
Oh, I guess we could always check it tomorrow. What do you think?
Check it what?
What do you think? Check the transmission fluid tomorrow?
Oh yeah. I mean,
Okay. Let's do that. We'll let it rest tonight.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna let it rest because it was flashing a code pretty angrily. So, but it appears, you know, we do have a startup, so that's really good. But yeah, definitely gotta have Chris come over and get her tuned, which is fine because we got the fan harness coming anyways. So for the most part, got that. That was our only leak so far, and it sounded better on the startup. Didn't it sound better?
Yeah.
So I don't know if
time.
you know, the pipes might have expanded a little bit. So, but yeah. So for right now,
I think the oil pumped up too and filled.
Oh,
the
I forgot to
lifters-
look at that again.
Filled the lifters up completely. So, because I think the lifters were making a little noise.
a little chatter.
Yeah, well, I mean, but that's
Normal.
until they get all pumped up.
Yeah. So anywho, this will be funny because Bear will have to take this video for the ending, and while we did most of that, so I guess that works. So anywho, when we do that one, when we turn off this
We're just doing
we're
both.
doing GoPros.
Doing the duty.
Yes, for tonight we have some action. We got it together. Now we just gotta wait for some details. So really happy with it so far. Sounded pretty good. Seems like the headers were a little bit better. A couple little things to check on. I'm sure there'll be some more bugs that pop up along the way, but I think that's a good time to call it quits. We will come back tomorrow.
Yep.
Because we'll do something tomorrow. I don't know what we'll do tomorrow, but we'll do something. So, all right. Thanks for watching. Miles is sort of alive, but he's not healthy yet, but he is alive. So, thanks for watching.